Materials for this experiment are mint, 250 milliliters distilled water, 30 milliliters MTBE. For our procedure, first we separated the mint from the stem and then weighed the mint on the scale. It was approximately 33.7 grams. Next, we ground it up, and we actually discovered that this released the oil, so then we started tearing it further throughout the procedure. Next, we set up our simple steam distillation apparatus using 2 ring stands, a round bottom flask, a condenser, a Y adapter, a penny stopper, and hoses. We added our shredded mint to our round bottom flask and poked it a little bit to decrease the volume, and then added our 250 milliliters of water bit by bit. After the mint and water was added, we connected the hoses, put the penny stopper on, and turned the water on to start our steam distillation. We turned the heat up to about a medium heat and left it distill for a class period, so approximately an hour. We had distilled approximately 50 milliliters. Cleaning was truly a pain. I used very large tweezers and water to take the mint out of the round bottom flask. On day 2, we extracted using 30 milliliters of MTBE, which was honestly quite a lot. We should have used less because I think it did affect our experiment. Next, we used the sep funnel to extract the organic and aqueous layers separately and put them into a 100 milliliter beaker separately. We couldn't properly shake and vent because the penny stoppers we could find were too large and it would leak, so we did the fake shake and vent method, so excuse us for that one. After separating the organic and aqueous layers, we put enough magnesium sulfate into the organic layer to reach the snow globe effect and remove any remaining water and impurities. Next, we filtered the organic layer and the magnesium sulfate in order to get the organic oil and MTBE. We poured the organic layer into a smaller beaker and we placed it on a hot plate in the hood on medium in order to boil off the MTBE and be left with just our peppermint oil. Although we didn't get any visible oil at the end of the experiment, when we smelled the beaker, it did smell like peppermint oil, so we would consider this a successful experiment.
There it is. We did it. More grease.
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta have my lab goggles on.
This is important.